Hey guys, welcome back. Michi here. If you're new to the channel, good to have you guys with us. Subscribe, ring the bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video. Today I'm going to use two palettes to create a look. This is using Pat McGrath's Ritualistic Rose Quad. This was recently restocked after selling out last year. And then we have Divine Rose, which is a large full-size Mothership palette, also from Pat McGrath. This is a limited edition palette. If you're interested after watching the video, just keep in mind that it is limited edition. Currently, it is still available on her website. And before we get into the tutorial, let's do some swatches and compare the shades side by side. I swatched all the shades from Ritualistic Rose and select shades from Divine Rose, depending on how similar they were in color or texture to those shadows found on Ritualistic Rose. And then I included any shadows that I might have used for today's look from Divine Rose as well. Starting here on my wrist is Sable Bronze, and next to it is Beyond Bronze 003. The two are similar in tone, but different finishes. Beyond Bronze has a glitter finish, whereas Sable Bronze is more of a metallic satin. Next we have Rose Quartz 005 compared to Rose Dusk. The two are similar in tone, but different finishes. Rose Quartz has a purpley glitter, whereas Rose Dusk is more of a satin finish. Next we have the two gold shades. We know Pat McGrath loves her gold shades. This is Antique Gold 002 and this is Refined Gold 002. Antique Gold again has a glitter finish that is more yellow, whereas Refined Gold has a warmer undertone and has a metallic shimmer finish. This is Astral Rose Orchid next to Astral Solstice. The two have the same texture. The difference is Astral Rose Orchid has a pink-purple undertone. And finally, this is VR Rose Venus. There are no shades like it on Ritualistic Rose. This is a dual chrome that I did use on the center of my lid today. Followed by Iridescent Pink 003. Again, no shades like it on Ritualistic Rose. I did use it for today's look and put it all over my crease. Now that we've done the swatches for both palettes and put them side by side for comparison, let's head on to the tutorial. I will see you guys after. My brows are filled and my eyes are primed. We're going to first take Divine Rose. I'm going to apply Iridescent Pink 003 all over the crease. You can see immediately here there's this soft pink reflex happening. It's a very beautiful shade in person. Then we're going to take Ritualistic Rose, Rose Quartz, and we're going to combine that with Divine Rose's Rose Dusk. We'll first dip the brush into Rose Dusk, get rid of some excess, and then dab it lightly into Rose Quartz. I'm going to apply that to the outer corners and the inner corner of my eyes. Then we're going to take VR Rose Venus from Divine Rose, and we're going to place it on the center of the lid. We're going to be very generous with this color. And then we're going to go back in with a blending brush here to work this color further into the crease. And I want to diffuse it some more. Depending on how it looks after it's been diffused, I might add a bit more Rose Dusk combined with Rose Quartz into the outer corners for the purpose of definition. And then there's just some unevenness here with the inner corners, so I want to go back in and work that. Next, I'm going to take, again, Iridescent 003, and I'm going to work that into the brow bone. And then going back into Ritualistic Rose, we're going to take this color, Astral Rose Orchid, with the pinky. I'm going to add this onto the upper part of the center lid. We're just going to dab around there. We're not going to go all the way to the inner fold. We're just going to concentrate right here. I have foundation, concealer, and finishing powder on. Now, once again, I'm going to take Rose Dusk from Divine Rose and Rose Quartz from Ritualistic Rose. Combining these two colors, I'm going to lay that onto my bottom lash line. And then on the center of my bottom lash line, we're going to add VR Rose Venus. To get a highlighted effect like on the upper lid. And then to match what I did on the upper lid here, I'm going to apply Astral Rose Orchid from Ritualistic Rose, and this I will do with a pinky, just a dab in the center to intensify that shimmer. Now they match top and bottom. And then for inner corners, we're going to use Antique Gold 002. We're going to add some gel liner to the upper lash line. All right, I have everything on up until the point where I apply the blushes. We're going to take this color here. I think it matches most with the eye look. This is in the color Let It Burn. Using a blush brush, we're going to apply this on both sides. And then we're going to use the highlight right above it called Tied Up. And we're going to apply that to the high points of the cheeks and to the forehead, tip of the nose, and chin. It's a very soft highlight, which I think it goes really well with the look, because the look is very ethereal, but still intense with all its bling and texture. So I feel like we can ease up on the highlight. And the way I'm applying this highlight on this brush is just using the side here and doing that. All right, I'm going to finish up with the eyes and we'll come back for the complete look. This is the finished look. I hope you guys found that tutorial interesting. I think the end result looks very ethereal because of all the shimmer, glitter, and all the reflex pink, purple, and gold that the light hits on it. And while it doesn't look very dramatic on camera, in person when I'm blinking or the light hits it a certain way, different colors and different textures begin to show. So it's fascinating. I thought it was pretty fun coming up with the look. For next time, we might do another look focusing on the bronze and taupe colors. VR Rose Venus, which is probably my favorite Pat McGrath shade, this duochrome here, was just too pretty not to include this time. But if you've come up with your own combination from the palettes, I'd love to hear what that was and how you liked it. Please share with me below. I will see you guys next time.